Introducing the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the most powerful and portable foldable phone yet. With a stunning 7.6-inch main display, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is perfect for gaming, watching movies, or getting work done. It's also our lightest and most compact fold yet, so you can take it with you wherever you go. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, so you can run even the most demanding apps and games with ease. It also has a massive 4,400 mAh dual battery system, so you can stay on the go all day long. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 also has a powerful camera system, with a 10MP 3x optical zoom telephoto camera, a 50MP wide-angle camera, and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. So you can take stunning photos and videos no matter where you are. If you're looking for a powerful, portable, and stylish foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the perfect choice for you. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a redesigned flex hinge that makes it easier to fold and unfold the phone. The phone also has a new S Pen, which is the most portable S Pen yet. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is available in 3 colors: Phantom Black, Phantom Green, and Phantom Silver.